Okay, so I just read about this HackberryPi CM5 project, and it's a handheld computer using Raspberry Pi tech and old BlackBerry keyboards.
Wait, really? They're using BlackBerry keyboards? That's unexpected. How does that even work?
Yeah, it's actually pretty clever. The project wants to deepen understanding of Linux by making it portable. I mean, how cool is that?
That is cool, but I wonder how user-friendly it is. I mean, old keyboards can be fun, but not always perfect for new software.
True, but the idea is it might give it a nostalgic feel. Plus, reusing old tech is super sustainable. That's a win-win.
Absolutely, but I'm curious. Does the hardware hold up? I mean, it's a Raspberry Pi compute module, so what's the performance like?
Great question. It's powered by a quad-core Cortex-A76 CPU and has a decent battery life, like 5 hours on standby.
5 hours is decent, but how does it handle heavy usage? That could be a limit for some users.
Right, typical usage drops to about 3-4 hours, but imagine being able to code on the go with a familiar keyboard.
That's intriguing, but what about the display? How does it look?
It has a 4-inch 720x720 high-res multi-touch display. I guess that's pretty functional for Linux tasks.
Yeah, but I'm wondering, what about connectivity? It has USB and HDMI ports, right?
Exactly, 2 USB 3 ports and a full-sized HDMI port. It's kind of a mini workstation.
That's handy, but what about sound, Bluetooth speakers? That's interesting.
Yeah, dual speakers connect via Bluetooth. I can see it being useful for media too.
Sounds great, but isn't there a drawback with the antenna due to the aluminum casing?
Good catch, the performance might lag, but they offer assembly guidance for an external antenna.
That's considerate, but I wonder if most users would go through that trouble.
Right, it might deter some, but tech enthusiasts might find it engaging. Plus, it's educational.
So it's not just about the device. It's about learning Linux and hardware architecture too.
Exactly, the assembly and customization aspects could empower users to explore more.
But would it appeal to the average user? I mean, not everyone wants to tinker.
Fair point, it might be more niche, but think about the community potential, sharing projects and experiences.
True, it could foster a community of creators. What about the charger? Is it efficient?
Oh, definitely. It charges in 2-3 hours with Type-C. That's not too shabby for a device with these specs.
Solid, still. The practicality of using a 3D printed middle section baffles me a bit. How durable is that?
I think it's more about weighing functionality versus manufacturing ease, but durability is a concern.
That's an important trade-off. But are there any downsides they mentioned?
Well, the evidence on performance with the external antenna is mixed. That'll require testing.
So there are still a lot of unknowns. This is fascinating. What's the overall takeaway?
It's an intriguing mix of nostalgia and modern tech, but user experience varies, right?
Absolutely. Plus, it could inspire more people to learn about Linux, which is a big plus.
Right, and it turns old tech into something new. It's like history and innovation meeting.
Wonder how many more projects like this we'll see. This could be just the beginning.
I hope so. Imagine how many devices could be reimagined with a little creativity.
Definitely, but it makes me think, what are the limits of what we can repurpose?
That's a great question. Are we constrained only by our imagination or also practicalities?
Maybe both. It really goes to show that tinkering can lead to amazing discoveries.
Totally, and maybe learning something new along the way makes it all worthwhile.
Exactly. I can't wait to see where projects like the HackberryPiCM5 will go next.